Alright, well, I'm going to show you how to tighten disc brakes on a mountain bike. I just went on YouTube and typed it in to figure it out. I did this a while ago and I found nothing. So I decided let's make a helpful video. Now, I already did the back ones. See, these are the front ones right here, so you can watch how far the lever goes down. I can pull almost all the way to the handle. Now I tighten the back ones, that's as far as it's going to go. Now, depending on the size of the hole, I'm using a 3/16 Allen key. Now, you can take the back tire off, but I don't. So, that's just me. Roll it forward so you can get a good opening. So you go in the back, caliper's there. And that little hole right there. I hope my bike doesn't fall. Feels like it's gonna fall. Don't follow me. Alright. Shit. Hang on. Alright, perfect. Now you just stick the Allen key in there. Alright, he's in there, you just tighten. Now you're gonna look in there. Look off. You can see it. Can't, probably can't. It's gonna start moving. Tightening. Now I think you got it. It shouldn't take too long to take it out. I think we're all good. Now you look down in there to see if it's bending the rotor. And see it is, just if you can see it. That's not good. You don't want to bend your rotor. They're expensive. So all you gotta do is mess around with that little red piece of shit right there. And that kind of moves the pads around. So you don't. See, that's just bending it even more. So obviously I'm twisting it the wrong way. Twist it the other way. And we're good. See, I don't know exactly how to do that perfectly. You just kind of mess around with that little red piece of shit until it stops bending the rotor. Now I'm gonna check if it bends the back rotor. I can't talk, the seat is in my way, goddamn. And we're good. Alright. So, you're finally adjusted. Now you take it for a little test ride. Put it right here. Let me show you how I did. Let's see how I did the first time. Here we go. Doing good. Go test it out on the road. Make sure you don't hit that. And also make sure they're not so tight that it's actually harder to pedal. right. As soon as I get the kickstand down. Fuck you. Fuck. I don't know if you can see the road or not, but it's going anyway. Oh, that was close. That was really close. Oh my god. Alright, well, oh, that hurt actually. Almost hit my nuts. That's how you adjust disc brakes. This bike, depending on the bike you got. This is a Mongoose Blackcomb. Got a screwdriver there to adjust the derailleur in case I ever need to. Well, good day.